Hi, I'm Lion with ScreenerKing. Today's video is all about connectors and managing material inputs into and out of your vibratory separator. We'll cover the wide range of options that we sell and the advantages of each.
Let's start with one of the most popular options, our corrugated connector boots or sleeves. These mold-formed connectors are available in 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch diameters and 10 and 3/4 inch length. 6-inch and 8-inch diameters are also available in 12-inch length. We offer them in food-grade natural rubber, neoprene rubber, EPDM rubber, and silicone. These are the most flexible due to the corrugations and easiest to install due to the handling flange on each end. We sell a large variety of cut-to-length products ranging from clear polyurethane tubing to temperature-resistant silicone. Let's quickly show these options. Clear Flex Polyurethane Tubing is lightweight, flexible, and durable, but its best feature is visibility. Use it to instantly spot backed up material flow or slowed production rates. The transparency also allows for confidence in sanitation. It's easy to cut and ships affordably as it rolls up tightly. Gum rubber tubing's 1/8 inch wall thickness provides rugged dependability suitable for abrasive applications with medium length spans. Its stretchability allow it to accommodate slightly off-spec diameters on either end. Rubber-coated nylon combines the smooth, abrasion-resistant surface with the strength and tear resistance of woven material to provide an excellent lightweight, durable solution for short to medium spans. Its ultra-smooth rubber interior surface is easy to clean and can also be custom-made to specific diameters or even tapered applications. Silicone tubing provides an excellent option for operating temperatures between 200 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The smooth, seamless tubing is easy to clean and inspect and ideal for short to medium spans. Wire reinforced poly tubing features a protective helix that maintains the tube's shape, making it the ideal choice for pressurized conveying systems or very long spans. Standard solutions don't always fit your need. We build affordable custom connectors to your exact specifications, from square attachment points, tapered ends, or container covers. Send us a picture with your dimensions and we can quote you a solution within the same business day. It's highly recommended to keep stock of key wear parts for your vibratory separator, especially those that are routinely removed, cleaned, and reinstalled as part of your operation. The most common include connector boot clamps, screen gaskets, inspection caps, tie-down parts, and clamp ring hardware.
That concludes our range of connectors available to optimize your screening process. Go to ScreenerKing.com to view our connector material grading chart to see which option is ideal for you, or contact us for our recommendation. Thanks and see you next time.